Good morning, children.
Today we will start new chapter, chapter 5th, Beautiful World of Birds. All birds have wings and two legs. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. A bird's body consists of head, trunk, wings, legs, and a tail. A bird flies with the help of its wings. The wings have feathers attached to them. It has a boat-shaped body which help it to fly in the air easily. Its bones are hollow and filled with air. This makes it light. A bird has strong muscles that move the wings up and down. These are called flight muscles. Its tail helps it to change its direction during flight. A bird's body is covered with feathers. Different birds have feathers of different colors. Birds have mainly three types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. Let us discuss first about flight feathers. Some feathers are long and flat. They remain attached to the wings and the tail. They help the bird to fly and are called as flight feathers. Some feathers are short and soft. They act like a warm sweater. They keep the bird's body warm in cold weather and are called as down feathers. Now we will discuss about body feathers. Body feathers covers the body of the bird. They give shape to the bird's body. Do you know, children? The crane and the pigeon fly over a long distances. The cock and the hen fly over a very short distances. The eagle and the vulture fly at a great heights. And the sparrow and the bulbul fly at a low heights. Now let us discuss about the birds that do not fly at all. Some birds do not fly at all. They move on land with the help of their legs. These are called flightless birds. Kiwi, ostrich, penguin, and emu are flightless birds. Do you know, children? There are many birds that spend most of their time in water. These birds are called aquatic birds. They have oil glands that keep their feathers waterproof. The oil from these glands prevent their feathers from getting wet. Ducks, swans, gulls, pelicans, and cranes are aquatic birds. They have webbed toes that help them to swim. What do birds eat? Now let us discuss about this. Do you know? Birds like sparrows, pigeons, peacocks and finches eat hard nuts, grains and seeds. Parrots and parakeets eat hard fruits and nuts. A duck likes to eat worms from the soft mud near the pond. Vultures, eagles and kites feed on flesh of animals. Like us, birds need a home to live in. The home of a bird is called a nest. Before building a nest, the bird pair decides where to build the nest. The next step is collecting materials and carrying it to the building site. The final step is construction. Birds build nests to lay and hatch eggs, protect their eggs and nestlings from enemies, and protect themselves from harsh weather also. So now let us discuss about the nest of the birds. First we will see the nest of sparrow. Sparrow makes its nest in houses, trees and any other protected places. The material it uses to make its nest are mainly grass, leaves and straw and cotton also. Do you know, children? Tailor bird sieves its nest with its beak. The materials it uses to make its nest are thread, wool and vegetable fibers. Vulture makes its nest on high tree. The nest looks like a shallow cup. The material it uses to make its nest include sticks and twigs. Oh, woodpecker makes its nest in tree trunks. It uses its chisel like beak to make a big hole in a tree trunk. This hole is used as a nest. Wow, it's a very beautiful nest. Which bird it is? Yes, it's a weaver bird. Weaver bird uses grass and twigs to make its nest. The nest is strong and big. The entrance is at lower end of the nest. Some birds like Siberian, crane and mallard duck travel long distance to avoid harsh climatic conditions, to search for food and to reproduce. Such birds are called migratory birds. These movement of birds every year with changing season is called migration. In order to see birds, it is necessary to become part of the silence. Birds are indicators of the environment. If they are in trouble, we know we will soon be in trouble. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.